Hi, my name is Amy, and I'm a 2021 EEJ Ecuador Crash Course Tour graduate. My husband and I took the tour in 2021, like I said, and we were looking for a place to retire after we finished working in the U.S. From the moment we arrived here in Ecuador, we received the best care. We were picked up at the airport, transported to the hotel, and the tour guides were absolutely amazing. Not only did we get to meet with expats along the way, we traveled for 10 days and visited so many different places, it's hard to name them all, but we got to listen to stories about the history of Ecuador. We learned about the culture and also received some survival Spanish lessons while we were traveling. It was one of the best experiences I've ever had, and it really did help us solidify our decision to move here, which we finally did in February of 2024. We are working on our permanent residency at this time, and we couldn't be happier. I highly recommend taking the Ecuador Expat Journeys Crash Course Tour, and you will have a wonderful time, meet lifelong friends, and fall in love with this beautiful country.